Hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. A very important development here on the chart. Litecoin hit one of the targets we defined in the previous video and saw a rejection. So we take a look at that here in a minute. Overall, you can see that off the June low, we count the move up into the September high as a wave 1, the correction that followed as a wave 2, then a wave 3 to the upside, and we currently are most likely in a wave 4 triangle, which consists of 5 waves as per Elliott Wave rules and guidelines: A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, which could be complete now or very, very shortly. And then an E wave to the downside is still anticipated, and then a breakout to the upside. Now, this is only a valid wave count as long as the C wave low is not broken. So the low of 75.60 or 75.50 must not be broken. If it is, okay, it wouldn't be a disaster, but it would make the current count less likely because it would need a change in count. What would we do then? Well, first of all, I would assume an extension of the triangle, which means that this C wave here probably was never finished and will become an even larger triangle like that, okay? So basically it does a reset of the C wave. However, a break below 65.50, which is the swing low of the 10th of March, that would formally invalidate the pattern, and Litecoin would have rallied only in a 3-wave structure, which would be quite bearish, and then would most likely lead to an impulse to the downside, which could, in the worst case, lead to new bear market lows below $40. However, until we break below those levels, we are focused here on the upside because we're above the important pivot point. The sideways range here suggests an ABCD structure, and it is likely that this D wave is nearly finished. In the last videos, we talked about the move up here as part of a D wave, which is basically not the last, but the wave before the last wave of a triangle. And we counted here a wave W to the upside, an X wave to the downside, and a Y wave to the upside. In the last video, I showed you a micro count, and we said, okay, we rallied in an A wave. I gave you that trend reversal area or setup for the C wave, yeah, which worked out. But here it shows again how important these limit orders can be, because it just touched the area and then rallied, okay? Then it rallied in what I believe is now a 5-wave move, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and this was the target. It touched the target. I put that box in the last video on the chart and it touched it. So it's $97.50 was the very first target level. Now, it doesn't mean it couldn't now go higher. It can, but if it breaks below the wave 4 low, I see the wave 4, by the way, as a triangle. If it breaks below that 94.20 level and price sustains there, then this top was in and we're most likely coming down in an E wave. Now, alternatively, the low could already be in, right? And we could already break out to the upside and do that 5th wave rally to the upside. But to do that, or to confirm that, I need to see a breakout above $103.50. If that happens, it would mean the triangle was finished early. It means the D wave actually set here and the E wave here, but I don't like that so much in terms of how it looks compared to the, how the proportions look like. But it's of course possible. Yeah, and that's my update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.